Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to the 1967th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good evening, traders. This video coming at you on a Tuesday night for Trading Wednesday. That is July 17th, 2019. Before we talk about what should happen tomorrow on Wednesday, being that this is Tuesday night, let me remind you that trading is very risky. This is a very risky business. Futures trading, stock trading, ETF trading, options trading, shorting the market, longing the market. Anything you do in the markets is extremely risky. Never trade without stops and never trade without money that's earmarked to be lost. If it's not earmarked to be lost, it shouldn't be in your trading account. How do I know that this is a risky business? Well, we haven't been stopped out in so many weeks. I don't remember the last stop out, but you know what happened today? Stopped out in our NASDAQ position. We got long the NASDAQ today. It went up for a while. It was in our favor for 20 some odd points, not enough to call home to mom, and then it dropped. Hence, no win, and we were stopped out. So yesterday I showed you a NASDAQ trade for trading on Tuesday. Monday night showed you a trade. It was stopped out. I showed you another trade for trading on Tuesday, and that was Sherwin-Williams. And you know what happened to Sherwin-Williams? We lost there too. We are 0 for 2 for trading on Tuesday. How about that, kids? Now, let's make it red. That's rare for the OMNI, but hey, it is what it is. Glad to get the losses out. Let's shake them out on a Tuesday. Plenty of days for the rest of this week to kick some butt. But here's what happened with your Sherwin-Williams. Let me just refresh this chart. And boom, this would be Tuesday's bar. So we expected a breakout higher than we've already seen from Sherwin-Williams. And instead, this came. And we had to take a loss. No stop, but we had to take a loss. So those two trades didn't work, but let's go back because now we're going to talk about trading on Wednesday. For trading on Wednesday, I've got an OMNI pointing towards the downside. We will be extremely nimble with our short positions if we get filled, but we will be nimble when we trade. If we get short, if the market drops and we get short first, we will take quick profits and get out of this market's way. There's no revenge trading. It's just head down, nose to the grindstone, and on to the next trade, kids. That should be your motto. Anytime you have a win, anytime you have a lose, anytime you're done with a trade, good or not, you say head down, nose to the grindstone, on to the next trade. If you're winning, you don't say anything more than that because the moment you think you're great at this, you will lose all your money. If you're losing, you just say the same thing. Put your head down, nose to that grindstone. You move on to the next trade. So that's what we're doing. On to the next trade. No revenge trading ever. Plus, we're on a 6-week winning spree where we win just about every day for the last 6 weeks. So let's continue with that. Nimble trading for trading on 7/17. But we will be selling a rally in your E-mini S&P, trying to get short, looking for some downside action, and then jumping out of the market's way. Traders, for the rest of it, join me at livewithoscar.com in my live trading room. Remember, keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things you can do to keep those emotions at bay is place your stops first. Then say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening, and you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Traders, don't forget nimble action for trading on 7/17 if you do get short. And I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.